Hello, in this PHP web framework video, we are going to be continuing with our database backup feature within the framework. So this is part 54 of the overall series and part 2 of the database backup part. So we already know what we're doing, database backup tool for admins. So what we actually have some code here. This was using an external library called Shuttle didn't seem to work, or I had to search on the computer. It didn't save this file anywhere, so I'm not too sure what's gone wrong. So yeah, let's just obviously we're just going to continue with this. Yeah, shuttle export. This is what we had. I'm willing to make a pull request. Blah blah blah. We saw that. Cypex dumper. Let's have a look at that. Nah, that's not what I want. So this is the example that we use. Host. That is obviously. What happens if I were to just do that? Try it, I guess. Let's just open up a window as well. Find a window that is, and go to the Xamp directory. HD docs, PHP. As that worked, I'm guessing you would save it somewhere in the public folder. If it's not like downloading it, then I'm imagining that it would be in the public folder. Perhaps it could be in views, but I doubt that. Okay, so see we're getting this couldn't export database. Username, password, database name. I'm pretty sure we last time we did print RX, so we actually confirmed that these variables had the right data, aka these configs were working. So no such file or directory in I couldn't remember here. It is happening when we dump it. It happens with both of them. So what's the dump doing? Dump. Okay, so abstract public function, export file location table prefix. Zoomed in, didn't want that. So I don't think there's any other files here that we need. Demo. So let's have a look at the demo. So they got that code here. The rest of it is just more examples. See, that should just export the entire database, which for now is all we want. I know that's getting included because it's in the classes folder, and everything automatically in the classes within init. Where does it? Yeah, it just loops over all the files in the classes folder. So And yeah, that leaves off everything in the configs, but again, that doesn't matter because the config has nothing to do with what we're doing here. So let's go back to backup.php. Okay, I'm going to try putting it in a cache, like so. Okay, I'll get rid of all of this. I'll whack this here. I can't drag code. Now save it. Current dump database couldn't export database, so that hasn't really done much for me. Try print underscore REC. Is there any more information there? Gonna have another look in the database class, not point database config. That it's got the right name, your PHP framework. That is correct, otherwise none of the other stuff would be working. It's got password and username. Again, it wouldn't be working if this wasn't correct, and we've got host as well. Okay, so let's have a look what else we've got. See if there's anything else of joy. Oh, dump location. Try and do this, I guess. As well. See if it needs that. Can have a look if it's on the root for some reason. Does not look like it. Know why it would be there. Get rid of that image, and I can get rid of that. Yeah, no, I think I know where that's from. Yep. Okay, so have another look at the Xamp one folder. PHP. Nope. No. Don't need that. Went on that last time as well. Under the one issue. Free or close, if any of them help. This was only commented 4 hours ago. No, he just got. Thought he might have something of use in his PHP, MySQL, export. PHP, MySQL, export. Yeah, that comes up quite high. Domain mod is an open source application written in PHP and MySQL. So look at demo. Password, username, password is demo. So see what else we got. So I guess it doesn't really matter. It's a pretty nice looking dashboard, actually. Let's just go into domains. Data warehouse, that might be of some use. This doesn't look of much use to me. PHP CSV. Okay, export header. I mean, that's all it should be. Okay, technically we've already connected. That's good. So I'm gonna try something. Let me set this to false. No, not that. This to false. Go back to backup. Get rid of this. Let me try doing the dump now. Still looks like nada. I thought maybe because it's connecting twice, I've already connected, but it wouldn't be a very good framework if that was the case. So I guess nope, it does okay. So we've already connected. MySQL select DB. Include class file. Table data from MySQL. I'm going to try this. And what I'll do is, just to save time, I'll copy and paste all this code. I'll just put it into the dumper file. I'll rename stuff after if this works and I end up using it. For backup, include, I don't need to do any include. I'm gonna exit, make sure it's getting the data. So everything from this is for one table. I'll just try one table for now, I guess. This is PHP framework. Forgot to change this back. And admin. MySQL select DB is undefined apparently. MySQL query DB can't even quite remember how this exactly works, just this part of it. Should just be able to do this. So if we go to backup and instead I'll whack this here. We're going to have no parameters like that. From users, we're going to need the results method, so results backup, so $query print this bad boy, $query and exit. Just make sure this is actually even working. Class DB not found apparently. This is reactivated, isn't it? That wouldn't really be the case. Class DB is not found. Sonar backslash. Sonar backslash. So yeah, that's correctly got that now. Let me try printing our data. Might just be able to. So if I get rid of this, get rid of this, change this to $query. See what happens. apparently that didn't work either. That file doesn't exist. But yeah, no, because trying to create it. Automatic delete download before? Don't want that. Let's have a look if it could be anywhere else. I'm guessing it would be public if it was anywhere. I'll say either public or here. Well, because downloads, it would pop up if it triggered an app. No, that's not it. If it actually triggered a download. Download, that's nothing. It's triggering that. Yep. I don't know, it doesn't exist. We were trying to create it. Stupid. Oh, table column names. ID. Guess this could be an issue. This right here. Does database already do something similar to that or not? Do fetch all, so guessing so. Let's have a look at the libraries. No, I don't know if you have any use. Nope. Let's have a look at this. Select. And this is stuff this is functionality we've already got. Let's take a look at the CSV one. Include actions. Going based on this, export. No, I don't think that'll be of any help either. So let's go back to the drawing board. I'll get rid of the dumper class. In backup, I'll get rid of pretty much everything. I'll leave that. I might need that later for now, so I'll leave that. And we need to be an admin. Yeah, at least those errors disappear, but there's no functionality now. Let's have a look at time. Yeah, time is getting on. So I'll be ending this video here. I didn't really progress much, nowhere near as much as I wanted to. But that's what the process is about, eliminating what avenues don't work and we're finding the one that does. So yeah, this has been part 54 of the PHP Web Framework series, part 2 of the database backup section. And yeah, we'll continue very soon in part 55. If you got any questions, feel free to post them on our educational platform, sonarlearning.co.uk. There'll be a link in the description along with our Facebook, Twitter, Google+, and the GitHub link for the project as well. And apart from that, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. I'm guessing so. Might be there. Don't know where it is. And leave us a comment. And as usual, I will see you tomorrow very soon.